Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a GitHub OAuth application for your website. Log into GitHub, open your profile menu, and select Settings. From the left sidebar, scroll down and click Developer Settings. Under Developer Settings, select OAuth Apps and click Register a new application. On the registration form, enter your application name and your website address in the homepage URL field. Add a short description explaining the purpose of your application. Next, enter the authorization callback URL provided by your plugin settings. Make sure this address matches the callback URL configured in your website. Once all the required details are entered, click Register Application. GitHub will open your application details page. Here, copy the client ID for use in your plugin settings. Next, click Generate a new client secret and copy the generated client secret. Finally, paste both the client ID and client secret into the corresponding fields in your plugin settings. That's it. Your GitHub OAuth application is now configured and ready to use. Thanks for watching.